Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Kubernetes manifests and on local clusters, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup Kubernetes manifests and on local clusters, start by setting up your environment. Ensure you have kubectl installed and configured to interact with your Kubernetes cluster. Open your terminal and check the current context by running the command kubectl config current context. Next, create a directory on your local machine to store the backup files. Use the command mdir/k8s backup to create this directory. Now let's back up your Kubernetes manifests. To export all namespaces, run kubectl get all namespaces o-yaml/k8s backup/all manifests.yaml. This command exports all Kubernetes resources across all namespaces into a single YAML file. For a more granular approach, you can backup specific namespaces. Use the command kubectl get all namespace o-yaml/k8s backup/namespace manifests.yaml, replacing namespace with your target namespace. After saving the manifests, it's time to backup ect. First, ensure you have access to the ect API. Run kubectl get pod in kubesystem to locate the ect pod. You should see a pod typically named ect-node name. Next, use kubectl exec to enter the ect pod for the backup. Run kubectl exec at ect pod name in kubesystem sh, replacing ect pod name with the name you found earlier. Inside the ect pod, run the command ectl snapshot save/backup/ect snapshot.db. This command creates a snapshot file of ect. Now, exit the ect pod by typing exit. You need to copy the snapshot to your local machine. Use kubectl cp ect pod name/backup/ect snapshot.db/k8s backup/ect snapshot.db. This copies the snapshot to the backup directory on your local machine. To ensure your backup is complete, verify the files in the backup directory. Run ls/k8s backup and confirm that both the YAML manifests and ect snapshot are present. Your backup is now complete. Regularly repeating this process will help maintain up-to-date backups of your Kubernetes cluster. Be sure to store this backup in a secure location to prevent data loss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.